In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a perfect circle in GIMP step by step, even if you're completely new to the software. Whether you want a filled circle, a clean outline, or a simple shape for a design, this method is quick, easy, and very beginner-friendly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple GIMP tips and tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is create a fresh workspace. At the top of GIMP, click File, then select New. This opens a brand new canvas where you can start your design from scratch. If you already have an image open, you can still use this method, but starting with a blank canvas makes it easier to learn and follow along. Next, go up to the Layer menu and choose New Layer. This is an important step because it keeps your circle separate from the rest of your project. Working on its own layer gives you more control later if you want to move it, resize it, or edit it without affecting anything else. When the new layer window appears, just click OK to confirm. Now that your canvas and layer are ready, it's time to draw the circle selection itself. On the left side of GIMP, find the Ellipse Select tool in the toolbox. If you want a shortcut, you can also press E on your keyboard. Once you've selected it, look down at the Tool Options panel below the toolbox. This is where you'll make sure the shape stays perfectly round. In the tool options, check the box for Fixed. Then, from the drop-down menu, choose Aspect Ratio. After that, type 1:1 into the box. This tells GIMP to keep the width and height equal, which is exactly what you need for a perfect circle instead of an oval. If you skip this step, you may end up with a stretched shape instead of a clean circle. Now click and drag on the canvas to create the selection. As you drag, you'll see the circle outline appear. Try to position it where you want the final shape to be. If you prefer, you can also hold the Shift key while dragging to lock it into a circle manually, but using the fixed aspect ratio method is usually the easiest and most accurate. Once your selection is in place, you can choose whether you want a solid circle or just an outline. If you want a filled circle, select the Bucket Fill tool. You can use the shortcut Shift+B to get there faster. Before clicking inside the circle, make sure your foreground color is set to the color you want. Then simply click inside the selection, and GIMP will fill the circle with that color. If instead you want a circle outline or ring shape, go to the top menu and click Edit, then choose Stroke Selection. A dialog box will appear where you can set the line thickness and any other stroke settings. Choose the size you want, then click Stroke to apply the outline. This is a great option if you want a clean border without filling the middle. After you've filled or stroked the circle, there's one last step. Go to Select at the top of the screen and click None. You can also use the shortcut Shift, Control, and A on Windows or Shift, Command, and A on Mac. This removes the blinking selection lines so you can see your final circle clearly and continue editing if needed. And that's it. You've just created a perfect circle in GIMP. It's a simple technique, but once you know it, you can use it in so many different projects, from logos and icons to graphic design and photo editing. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more GIMP tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more beginner-friendly editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.